Hello and welcome to this July 27th, 2010 video version of Invested Central's Chart of the Day. I'm Tom Boley, Invested Central's Chief Market Strategist, and it's my pleasure to provide you with today's Chart of the Day. This Chart of the Day is brought to you by stochastic.com, simply the web's best financial charts. Today we are featuring a DXCM. This is DexCom. This is about a $678 million healthcare company. Taking a look at the stock technically, you can see that we've been in a pretty nice uptrend, mostly trading above the 50-day moving average. Back in early May, we made a move back below the 50-day, went back up, didn't quite get to where we were before the downtrend began, and then we went down and put in one more low before printing a hammer right above the 200-day moving average, and then turning back up off of that. And since then, really, I'm looking at this move up here as almost like a flagpole, where we went up for about 7 or 8 consecutive days, and then since this time we've actually been going sideways here in a flag pattern for about the last month and a half. If you take a look though, on Monday we actually broke out here above the 11, I think it was 1175. We had closing resistance. We did manage to close at 1180 on Monday, so we took out this recent candle body high, and we did it. You can see volume's really been picking up the last few days, so we've got a nice volume move to the upside and a price breakout, and this again comes on the heels of this flagpole with the flag to the side. Now, taking a look at the measurement on this, we moved from about 890 on the bottom to about 1175. That was the flagpole, so that gives you about $2.85. The breakout, you can tack on another $2.85 to that, so it really takes us up into that $14.50 to $14.75 range in terms of a measurement here. So DXCM I think looks pretty interesting to the upside. We do need to get a I'd like to see some follow through on Tuesday, because this breakout was only by about a nickel or so. So it'd be nice to see some additional volume coming in and a move to the upside. So let's watch for that. We are not yet overbought. You can see RSI is only at 59, stochastics only at 70. So the stock's definitely got room in terms of the oscillators, the momentum oscillators that we follow. And the MACD, you can see here, is actually turning up after coming down near the center line with a 50-day test. So I'm not really viewing this as a negative divergence, because in my view, when you get down and you test the 50-day moving average and your MACD heads toward the center line, it's kind of like a reset. You start over again, and now really what I'm looking at is that DXCM is simply moving to the upside. Now, if you want to be cautious, if we do fail to capitalize on this breakout and on Tuesday, we fail to tack on additional gains, you could always move back to the sideline, see if we get another 50-day test. You can see some pretty good price support down around the 1075 area. That might be the other area to consider getting into DXCM. I do want to give you a final reminder that Tuesday, after the market closes, we will be having the next in our online series. We have an online trader series. This is going to be the 4th one. It is on divergences and understanding divergences and how to use them in your trading arsenal. Go to investedcentral.com. Be sure to check that out. I hope you've enjoyed our presentation today. Be sure to check out our chart of the day every day at investedcentral.com. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly Market Pulse newsletter and have the chart of the day emailed directly to you. Happy trading.